Now we will see some regional events. In Telangana state, one very prestigious award was announced, and that award is J. Ishwari Bai Memorial Award. This J. Ishwari Bai Memorial Award is named after a very great veteran leader, J. Ishwari Bai. And this award was presented in December 2017 by the Telangana Industries and IT Minister K. Taraka Rama Rao to Prakash Ambedkar. So, Prakash Ambedkar is none other than the grandson of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we all know he is the father of the Indian Constitution and India's first law minister. So, his grandson Prakash Ambedkar was given the J. Ishwari Bai Memorial Award by the Telangana IT Minister in December 2017. Very, very important for your exam. Then continuing with this Telangana state, first time in the world one exclusively dedicated IT park for disabled people will come up in Hyderabad. So, it is going to be the world's first dedicated IT park, information technology park for the persons with disabilities, and it will come up near the Shamshabad airport in Hyderabad, and it will come up in 10 acres of land in the public private partnership mode. So, first time it is going to happen in the world, and it is going to come up in Shamshabad, near Shamshabad airport in Hyderabad in Telangana state. And this IT park will provide jobs to nearly 2000 persons with disabilities over the next 5 years. And it was announced by, this decision is a very important decision announced by the Telangana government on the eve of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, that is December 3rd. So, you must remember this IT park coming up in Hyderabad exclusively for the persons with disabilities, or which date or which day is declared by the United Nations organization as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities or disabled persons, then the answer is December 3rd. And I will also tell you the theme declared by United Nations organization for this year's International Day of Persons with Disabilities on December 3rd. The theme is transformation towards sustainable and resilient society for all. So, this is the theme of the 2017 International Day of Persons with Disability. Next, we will finally move to Andhra Pradesh state. Two major events happened. One is the AP Legislative Assembly and also Legislative Council have unanimously passed the Kapu Reservation Bill on December 2nd, 2017. This bill will provide the Kapu community with 5% quota in educational and employment sectors in Andhra Pradesh state, and 4 castes will benefit from this quota. These 4 castes are Kapu, Balija, Telaga and Vantari, and these castes will be classified as Group F under the backward classes. So, this is a very, very important event that happened in Andhra Pradesh state. But this bill takes the percentage of reservations in Andhra Pradesh state beyond 50%. So, to enable the 5% quota for the Kapu community, the center must include it in the 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution, so that it can escape the scrutiny of the Supreme Court. So, to enable reservations for Kapu community, the center has to include this reservation bill in the 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution. And you also remember the 2016 Manjunatha Commission. In fact, the Andhra Pradesh state government has constituted in the year 2016 Justice Manjunatha Commission to look into the issue of reservations for Kapu community. And finally, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has toured one important Asian country, and that country is South Korea. So he was on a 3-day tour in December 2017 to South Korea, and he was accompanied by State Finance Minister Yanamala Ramakrishnadu and State Industries Minister N. Amarnath Reddy to South Korea, and he held various discussions. And Chandrababu Naidu, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, has requested the Korean industrialists to make Andhra Pradesh their second home and invest big in AP state. And he also invited them, the industrialists of South Korea, to come and attend the partnership summit to be held in Visakhapatnam in February 2018. So this is also very important. The partnership summit will be hosted by Visakhapatnam in the year February 2018. And in this tour, the AP CM Chandrababu Naidu along with his ministers has also visited Kia Motors automobile manufacturing plant in South Korea. This is also very important because Kia Motors is setting up a car manufacturing plant in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. So what type of questions can be asked in your exams? Which Asian country was visited by AP CM Chandrababu Naidu in December 2017? It is South Korea. Or in which country is Kia Motors, a very big car maker, is located? It is South Korea. Or South Korean car manufacturing company Kia Motors will set up a plant in which district of Andhra Pradesh? Then the answer is Anantapur. So remember all these absolutely important points. Thank you.